Okay, I open this like this. Oh. Hey guys, so I just got this in the mail. It's the new iPhone. It's a refurbished version. And I am going to now open this up, and we're gonna see what's included in this box and what it comes with, and we're gonna test it out to see, you know, if you wanted to buy a refurbished laptop from Apple in the future. This is everything that's included inside, and we're gonna talk about the price, what's included, how good it is, and everything. So stay tuned to the video. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open the box up, and I'm gonna use this tool here that I have that makes it super easy to open the box. Okay, so we see there's tape over here. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this. All right. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna put this away. Put this on the side. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and open this. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and open this. Like this. Oh, wow, this is it. Okay, so as you can see, it is completely packed. It's sealed packed. Okay, it's sealed packed. It's never been opened. Okay, so let me go ahead and open this. So we're gonna open this together. Ooh, that was fun. Okay. Okay, the plastic has been removed, so it does say here Apple certified refurbished. Okay, put this plastic on the side. You guys, I am super excited to open this. I've never bought a MacBook before, so this is my first time, so I'm actually very excited. I'm very excited to open this up. All right, so we're gonna do it together. I'm gonna go ahead and all right, it's coming up slowly. Almost there. Almost there. And oh my god, it's so nice. Wow, that is really nice. MacBook Air cover, it's off. Put this on the side. Wow, this is really nice. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull this open. Oh, okay, wow, it comes in a plastic. So there's plastic here. There's plastic here. Put this on the side here like this. Okay, so there we go. That's the MacBook. And this has a charger here. And this is a manual. So go ahead and open this. Designed by Apple in California. This must be the manual. Let me go ahead and just open this up. Oh. Okay. Is there anything else? Okay, that was it. Okay, so you got a manual. Cool. Alright, got that. And then this is 1 year limited warranty. Perfect. Keep that there. 2 stickers here. That's cool. Okay, go ahead and close this. And take this out. Okay, so okay, cool. So this is charger. Still has the wrapping. I'm gonna keep that there. And open this up. Oh wow, look at this. It's a nice long wire. Cool. Okay, so that's pretty much everything inside. So I'm gonna put this back inside. I'm gonna take this and put it on the side as well. All right. Now, okay, so this is the back or the front? Okay, oh, this is the front. Okay, so it's like this. So this is the front. Wow, it's really thin. Okay, so it slopes down. So from here to here, it goes down like this. It's very thin. All the ports, they're just here. That's it. That's all you have. These are the only ports. And this is, you know, for your audio jack, I believe. We're gonna go ahead and find this. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this up. Super excited. All right, so I'm gonna take off the wrapping. Okay, I'll put this on the side. Wow, this is super light. So small too. Look how shiny that is. Wow, look how thin that is. It's amazing. And there's like nothing visible. Okay, so let's go ahead and power this up. Okay. Having a bit of trouble opening this. It should be easy. Why is this? This shouldn't be hard. Why is it so hard to open? Oh, there we go. Okay. Oh, look at that. So it comes with a protection on the screen already. It's loading. So that's cool. Wow. Ah, I love this. So nice. So it's asking me to do the setup. Move you guys a bit closer.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Okay, it's talking to me. English. So it just asked me to choose a language. I just chose English. And now it's asking me what country I'm in. Oh, it did it by itself. It found out that I'm in Canada and it just selected Canada by itself. So we're gonna click enter and then I'm gonna click.
Mac OS contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver. If you know how to use VoiceOver, press Command F5 now to turn it on and set up your Mac. If you would like to learn how to use VoiceOver to set up your Mac, press the escape key.
Okay, I'm just gonna do this manually, so I'm gonna click on continue. Okay, so now it's asking me to choose a Wi-Fi network. I chose a Wi-Fi connection, and I also put in the password, and then this is the screen that comes up. Okay, so it said data and privacy. This icon appears when an Apple feature asks to use your personal information. You won't see this every feature since Apple collects this information only when needed to enable features, secure service, or personalize your experience. Apple believes your privacy is a fundamental human right. So every Apple product is designed to minimize the collection and use of your data, use on device processing whenever possible, and provide transparency and control over the information. Continue. Okay, I'm gonna take this off. All right, guys. Sorry, I didn't check that before. Okay, so now this makes it easier to read. Okay, transfer information to this Mac. If you have Mac, I don't have another Mac. Nope. So for now, I'm gonna click on don't transfer any information now, and click on continue. So I had just made one, and I'm gonna go ahead and add that in right now. So it's asking me to sign in with your Apple ID. I'm gonna do that right now. Okay, so now it asked me to sign in with my Apple ID and put in my password. I did that, and after loading, it comes to the terms and conditions, and it says use of your Mac computer with iCloud and related service subject to these terms and conditions. Please read them carefully. Okay, so there's an agreement with the license with iCloud terms and service, Game Center, and warranty. Read the Apple's 1-year limited warranty. Okay, perfect. I agree, and I'm going next. I have read to the Mac OS software license agreement, iCloud, and Game Center and conditions, and I agree. So we're saying yes, and we're moving on to the next screen. Create a computer account. Account name, full name, password. Okay, it's setting up my account. So it says iCloud here now. Now it's asking me for iCloud Keychain. Okay, iCloud Keychain keeps password and credit card information you save up to a date on the device you approve. Your information is encrypted and can't be read by Apple. Would you like to use an iCloud chain? So I'm gonna say set up later. I'm just very excited to actually get this started and start using it. Okay, find my location. Find my allows you to locate this Mac on a map. Send it messages and remote lock or erase it. Find my, perfect. Oh, that's pretty cool. So Find My also protects your Mac with activation lock, which prevents anyone else from using your Mac if it's ever lost or stolen. That's cool. That's nice to have. So we're gonna go ahead and continue. Express setup. You have signed in to your Apple ID. Analytics. Yeah. So I'm not gonna click on this. Screen time. Get insights about your screen and time limits. I can set that up later. For now, I just want to go ahead and get this started. Set up Hey Siri. This helps Siri recognize your voice when you say Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, open the Documents folder. Hey Siri, show my downloads. Hey Siri, what's the weather? Hey Siri, what does the rest of my day look like? Hey Siri is ready to use. Awesome. Okay, so for now I'm going to say yes, continue. Encrypt the disk on your Mac. I'm not sure what this actually allows you to do. Secures your data by encrypting the contents of your disk and locking your screen with a password. Okay, I'm just going to say yes. Touch ID. Use your fingerprints to unlock your Mac and make purchases with Apple Pay. Start by placing your finger on or thumb on the Touch ID. Alright. Choose a look. Let's choose a dark. Oh yeah, that's nice.